Reflexology is really an ancient art of healing. It really is considered traditional Chinese medicine. It dates back over 2,000 years. The underlying theory behind reflexology is that there are certain points or reflex areas on the feet and the hands that are connected energetically to specific organs and body parts through energy channels in the body. The primary intent is really to support the health of the body's internal systems. Anytime there's stagnation, there's inflammation. You want to keep your blood flowing. You want to keep things moving, and that's what reflexology does. It's natural, it's non-invasive, it can increase energy and also help reduce stress. And it's just a really wonderful way to address health from a holistic perspective. I was personally struggling with a lot of health issues, chronic health issues for many years. I was managing symptoms, but I was never healing. And that's what I love about alternative health. You look at the root cause, not the symptoms, but why are you experiencing the symptoms? And then you address those. Clients will come with all sorts of health conditions. Some of them are chronic, some of them are acute. We can isolate specific reflexes. If someone's having problems with blood pressure, we can address the kidney reflexes. If they're having problems with the shoulder, we can address the spine and the shoulder reflexes. So it helps on a much deeper level. Healing is a slow process and you have to give it time to work. But understanding how the body works, that's powerful. I love helping my clients feel better. And I know that it's improving the quality of their life. I mean, there's nothing that's more rewarding than that.